when it concerns electoral matters, I will tell you, do not go and sleep. So many things happen.
It's his second engagement with the media since the conduct of the 2023 general elections in Nigeria. Today, the Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has several issues to talk about, starting with the peaceful protest by supporters of his party, the People's Democratic Party (PDP), to the head office of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) in Port Harcourt to demand that the commission ensures that electoral materials used for the conduct of the 2023 elections are jointly inspected by all the political parties and that no party is granted sole access to the materials.
Let all the parties be assigned for it, so we know that you're giving exactly the same you have given to these people. That we don't want what happened last time to reoccur.
Governor Wike says the PDP in Rivers State will do everything to ensure that its mandate is not stolen again.
We had this experience where police brought original resort to tender. And we're saying, how could police get original resort? Original resort is supposed to be with INEC, and it was accepted. And the question is, how did police get original resort? What the best you can get is a copy of the original or a certified true copy. We are dazed. You're not telling me again now. Well, watching what is going on. I want us to go and sleep. Who won't sleep?
Another topic that came up for discussion is the leadership crisis in the PDP. Governor Wike says the defeat suffered by the party in the 2023 elections clearly shows that the suspended national chairman, Iyorchia Ayu, has nothing to offer.
We're happy that Ayu didn't go that time. But if he had gone, then they would have said it was because Ayu left that we lost election. So thank God he presided over the election. Not that we lost, he lost woefully from his unit to his ward, to his local government, to his state. He didn't have anything. So you can see that he has nothing to contribute to the party.
He says the party leadership led by the acting national chairman, UMAR DAMAGUM, must as a matter of urgency rebuild trust and ensure equity in the party. He adds that the forthcoming governorship elections in Kogi and Imo states will go a long way in determining whether the PDP has a future or not, even as he accused the leadership of the party of tampering with the list of delegates in Kogi state in favor of a particular aspirant.
That PDP wants to win the election, and what you will do is to give ticket to Dino Melaye, and you say that tomorrow that you were rigged when you have already started rigging yourself. And that's what I said. Is this party serious at all? And we're not talking about drama. You know what we're talking about? We're talking about governance of the state. For Christ's sake.
Governor Nyesom Wike is therefore warning the PDP to avoid a repeat of the mistakes that led to its defeat in the 2023 general elections or pay dearly again for not allowing justice, equity and fairness to prevail.
Are you saying you will not be involved in that process if Senator Dino Melaye becomes...
Do you need to ask me that kind of question? Do you need to ask me?
I don't think
are you not aware that I will not do that?